Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today, we're talking January favorites. Yes, guys, January is finally coming to an end. Can you believe it? It always feels like January takes forever to finish, but here we are, the end of the month, and of course, I want to share with you my top 5 products that I have been reaching for all month long. First up on my list is a skincare product from the brand Tula Skincare. I discovered this a couple weeks ago, and I've been using it just about every single day. This is the cult classic purifying face cleanser. It says it contains probiotics and superfoods. Guys, I love the way this smells. It just smells like a nice bar of soap. If you know what Caress bar soap smells like, it kind of has the same fragrance as that one, and it just leaves my skin feeling so clean while not feeling like stripped of all of the oils that I need in my skin to have that nice hydration and plumpness, elasticity to my skin. And I've been using it the last couple weeks just about every morning. I've only used this to remove part of my makeup like once or twice. So I cannot attest to how well it is going to do to remove makeup, but I can tell you as a morning cleanser or as a daily cleanser that you use whenever you're not trying to remove makeup, I have been loving this. Next up is a setting spray, or a facial spray, I should say, that you've kind of seen me use here and there in some of my more recent videos. And I actually got this idea from watching Tati, Glam Life Guru herself. She would use this facial mist, and it had such a nice mister on it. Kind of reminded me of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist that I just had to pick it up. And this is the Bioderma Hydro Bio Mist. If you're familiar, and I know I mentioned this in my Get Ready With Me Outdoors video with ColourPop, but this reminds me of the Evian water spray, or the Evian facial spray, I should say. This is pretty much like spraying water on your face. You see it has that really, really fine mist. I like to use this when I get done applying all of my base products, such as the concealer, foundation, and powder. I'll go in and give my face a spray. Then I'll go in and apply my blush, bronzer, and highlighter. Then I'll go in and give myself a spray, and that'll be how I use it throughout my makeup routine. This is completely safe for sensitive skin. Actually, this one is designed for sensitive skin. It says it's a dermatological water mist, and it hydrates, refreshes, and tones, and it does say sensitive skin friendly on here. You do get 10 fluid ounces in here. I want to say I picked this up for about 12 bucks, 13 bucks on Amazon. Been loving it. I've been using this, I think I got it at the end of November, and I've been using it just about every single day and multiple times per day, guys. So I highly recommend this one. And of course, Glam Life Guru herself, she does recommend this. She has used this on her channel quite a bit. That's where I got the idea. So great recommendation on that. Another item I've been loving is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I love this so much after reviewing it here on my channel that I picked this up in 2 additional shades. So I have a shade that's perfect for brightening my under eye area and the high points of my face. I bought a shade that is going to be perfect for spot concealing, and I bought a shade to contour with. I loved the way this concealer performed when I did my review video and wear test over it. This just does a really great job of hydrating the under eye area. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look greasy, it doesn't slip around, and it does dry down pretty quickly. I do set this, of course, with some translucent setting powder. I highly recommend this one, guys, if you have normal to dry skin, even like me, that I'm a normal to oily skin type. This doesn't add excess oil to my skin. It doesn't cause me to break out. It doesn't cause me to be an oily, greasy mess. It really does such a great job under my eye. The coverage on this is pretty amazing as well. Guys, for $6, you can't beat this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Another product that I've been reaching for all month long has been this Unicorn Glow Blusher. This one is in the shade Peach Berry. This is a rather new brand to CVS Pharmacy. I discovered this brand, I think it was at the end of December, and I did do a review video over the products that I picked up. So I will definitely leave that linked up above so you guys can check out that video. But this was by far one of my favorite takeaways from that little mini haul that I did. This is such a pretty blush. It is a completely matte blush, but it just stays so well all day long on the skin. It blends out really well. There's great pigmentation. A little bit goes a long way, and I'm really excited to see more goodies pop up in my local CVS from this new Unicorn Glow brand. The next item I have to share with you is actually a set of lippies, and this is from ColourPop. These are from the Coconut Collection that I think was released at the end of November, but I just picked these up. It was towards the end of December when I got them, and I have not stopped using them. I love them because they are so convenient, and I did do a get ready with me video using these lippies. I'll be sure to link that up above as well so you guys can check it out. But I am wearing one of the shades right now. I believe the shade I have on right now is Nude Beach, but they are very, very wearable shades, very neutral shades, guys, and I love that it's a crayon. So this is the color that I have on right now. This one is Nude Beach. Really, really creamy, really hydrating. The only thing I don't like about these is they have a scent. And I want to say it's like a grapefruit scent. It's not my favorite scent, but it's nothing that lingers. So that's great. I just love how easy they are to apply, guys. And I think the set, the little bundle, was like $8 or $9. But of course, I will leave all of those details listed below. But ColourPop, guys, they are killing it. They are making such affordable, high quality products, and this is definitely one of my favorite finds and one of my favorite loves in January. So guys, what did you think? Have you all tried some of these items that I've been loving on all month of January? Sound off below. Leave me a comment. Do you have any questions over any of the products that I tried? Definitely leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and thank you for subscribing and for being here in my beauty stash. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.